Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. She's totally frozen, but we're still having a great time. We're hanging out at Cattail Cove State Park in Arizona, and we're about to head up to the camper and make some mini meatball subs. Now these subs are super easy. You only need a few ingredients. We've got some mini sub buns, Swiss cheese, and I found this really good chimichurri sauce, but you can use any kind of chimichurri sauce or even a pesto, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and then you just need some meatballs or any kind of meatball substitute. And first, we're just gonna pop these out, put them in a microwave safe bowl, and heat them up. And we're gonna pop those right in the microwave. And while those cook, we're just gonna turn on our skillet just to heat up our buns a little bit. So I'm just gonna put it on like a medium high. And then after about a minute or so, our bread is slightly toasted. Now before you put on the meatball, we are going to take a couple slices of Swiss cheese. You'll put one on each of the bottom bun of the sub. And now we're just gonna plop the meatballs on there. And if you push it onto the cheese a little, it melts the cheese so that it will hold the meatball in place. And then the last thing is just drizzling on some barbecue and some chimichurri sauce. And here are the finished subs. We hope that you like that recipe and we hope that you try it out. And definitely come visit Cattail Cove State Park. Have a great one.